The Sea of Galilee. The Sea of Galilee, also known as Lake Tiberias or Kinneret, is a freshwater lake located in northern Israel. It is the largest freshwater lake in Israel and is situated approximately 209 meters below sea level, making it the lowest freshwater lake on Earth. Surrounded by mountains and hills, the Sea of Galilee holds significant historical, religious, and ecological importance. This video explores its geographical features, historical significance, and cultural relevance. The Sea of Galilee covers an area of about 166 square kilometers, with a maximum depth of approximately 43 meters. The lake is fed primarily by the Jordan River, which flows from the north and drains into the Dead Sea to the south. The surrounding region is characterized by a Mediterranean climate, featuring hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. This environment fosters diverse ecosystems, including various bird species and aquatic life, making the lake a crucial habitat for both flora and fauna. The eastern shore of the Sea of Galilee is bordered by the Golan Heights, a region known for its rugged terrain and rich volcanic soil. The western shore features lush agricultural land, with many farms producing bananas, citrus fruits, and other crops. The lake's waters are vital for irrigation, supporting the agricultural economy of the region. Additionally, the Sea of Galilee is known for its stunning landscapes, offering breathtaking views that attract tourists and nature enthusiasts alike. The Sea of Galilee has played a pivotal role in the history of the region, particularly during biblical times. It is frequently mentioned in the New Testament as the backdrop for many events in the life of Jesus Christ. The towns of Capernaum, Tiberias, and Gennesaret, located along its shores, are significant for their connection to Jesus' ministry. Capernaum, for instance, is where Jesus performed numerous miracles, including the healing of a paralytic and the calming of the storm. In addition to its religious significance, the Sea of Galilee has been a center of trade and commerce for centuries. The lake served as a critical transportation route for goods and people in ancient times, facilitating trade between the regions of Judea, Galilee, and beyond. The fishing industry thrived here, with fish such as tilapia being harvested, which continues to be a local staple. The area surrounding the Sea of Galilee has seen many civilizations rise and fall, including the Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. Each culture contributed to the rich tapestry of history that defines the region today. Archaeological excavations have revealed ancient sites, including synagogues, Roman ruins, and Christian relics, further illustrating the lake's historical importance. The Sea of Galilee is not only a geographical and historical landmark, it is also a cultural symbol for many. For Christians, the lake is a pilgrimage destination, drawing millions each year who seek to walk in the footsteps of Jesus. Sites such as the Mount of Beatitudes, where the Sermon on the Mount is believed to have taken place, and the Church of the Multiplication of the Loaves and Fishes at Tabgha are popular among visitors. These locations provide spiritual significance and are often sites for reflection and worship. In Jewish tradition, the Sea of Galilee is also revered. The area is rich in Jewish history, with many sites of religious significance, including ancient synagogues and the remnants of Jewish settlements. The lake is often associated with themes of renewal and redemption in Jewish texts. Furthermore, the Sea of Galilee has inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians. Its serene beauty and historical depth have been the subjects of paintings, literature, and songs throughout the ages. The ecological significance of the Sea of Galilee extends beyond its beauty and historical importance. The lake is home to a diverse range of species, including various fish, birds, and plant life. The freshwater environment supports both local and migratory bird populations, making it a vital stopover point for birds traveling between Europe and Africa. Despite its beauty and significance, the Sea of Galilee faces several challenges. Water levels have been fluctuating due to climate change, increased evaporation rates, and water extraction for agriculture and drinking purposes. These changes threaten the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the livelihoods of those who depend on the lake. The Sea of Galilee is much more than a geographical feature. It is a symbol of history, spirituality, and ecological significance. Its waters have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the teachings of religious figures, and the daily lives of those who inhabit its shores. As we move forward, it is crucial to recognize the importance of preserving this unique and vital resource for future generations, ensuring that it remains a place of beauty, history, and spiritual significance for all.